Did you know that those high-quality videos you are creating in Canva might be the very thing slowing down your website or getting rejected by email servers because the file size is just too massive? It is a common frustration, but you can actually take full control of your video dimensions and storage footprint without leaving the editor. Let's jump right in. First, open up the project containing the video you want to adjust. Click directly on the video on your canvas to select it. You will see the toolbar appear at the top and you want to navigate straight to the crop tool. This is where you decide the frame of your story. You can choose from the preset aspect ratios like 16 by 9 for YouTube or 9 by 16 for TikTok, or simply grab the corners to customize the crop exactly how you need it. Once your framing is perfect, look up at the top navigation bar for the resize option. This is a crucial step because you want your design dimensions to match that aspect ratio you just picked. If you are moving from a horizontal video to a vertical reel, select the new dimensions here and hit resize this design to instantly snap everything into place. Now that the visual layout is set, it is time to shrink that file size so it is easy to share. Head over to the share button in the top right corner and tap on download. Make sure the file type is set to MP4 video. Right below that, you will see a quality slider. If you are on a free account, you will notice you have access to the standard quality settings, which are perfect for reducing file weight. Slide that quality bar down a bit. You do not need the highest setting for most social media posts, and lowering it slightly will effectively compress the video without a noticeable loss in clarity on mobile screens. Keep in mind that while the premium subscription unlocks those ultra high definition exports, the lower quality settings available for free are your best friend for keeping things lightweight and fast loading. When you are happy with the settings, hit the download button. I hope this helps you save some space and speed up your workflow. Subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.